Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for this video. Okay, today's video is all about this messy brows. Guys, can you see it? My brows are so messy. They are the messiest brows I've ever dealt with, hands down. In today's video, I'll be showing how I trim my brows, how I shape them. My brows are very stubborn, they grow everywhere, like everywhere. So I'll be showing how I get the perfect shape for my brows. So first things first, I have a spoolie. I'm going to use this to brush my brows in place. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go under the brows here, right here, to take some of the hair off. Not too much, just a little to get the shape. Spoolie again to brush the hair upwards. With the blade again, I'm going to go right above the brows and take just a little bit of hair. To use a spoolie to brush upwards again. Let's go down. So when I brush down, I'm just going to take just a little. Make sure I'm not taking too much, or else you're going to have dents in your brows. And brush up again. And then we are done for one brow. So we're going to move on to the other eye and then brush that into place as well. Go beneath it, just a little, not too much hair off. Brush upwards. We are repeating the same thing we did on the other brow on this one. The same process we used on the other brow on this one. It's that simple, guys.